Hi guys, and welcome back to Corner. Today I've decided to share with you this amazing Valentine's Day card. It is so unique, so simple and so soft that I can't resist touching it. Hope you will also like this idea. So let's start. Take a pair of scissors and cut a lot of hearts. Use 2 pieces of thick paper. I will use the blue one for the upper part of my card and the white one for the bottom part of my card. Prepare any type of glue or you can use a hot glue gun. Cut a tiny piece of stretch fabric and find any polyester stuffing. Bring some extra pieces of fabric for small details such as eyes and ears. First, take any piece of paper and fold it in half. Start to draw a cat as shown. If you don't like to draw, you can print any cute animal. Cut your cat out and trace it on the upper piece of paper. In my case, it's blue one. Use a knife to cut outline. And the next step is to trace your cat on the bottom piece of paper. Now we need to glue this small stretch fabric. Make sure you apply your glue exactly along the outline. And don't forget to leave a gap over here, so you can fill your fabric with polyester stuffing. I'm really sorry for bad lighting. Lastly, adhere all small details and the upper piece of paper. Thanks for watching. Hope you are inspired. Don't forget to subscribe.